Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add signature in Word. Friends, sometimes we need to print our signature on large number of letter or documents for various purposes. So to add signature on our letter, first you need to keep a copy of your signature on your computer. Like I have taken a picture of my signature and saved it on my computer. So you simply need to click the picture of your signature and mail it to your computer and save it. Now I will use this signature in my Word document. Here we need to click in the end of the letter. Now to add signature, click on Insert tab. Here click on Pictures. Go to the location where you have saved your signature file. Now friends, as you can see, my signature file is in PNG format. You can use PNG format or JPG file format. After selecting the file, click on Insert. Now adjust the size of your signature. Now this size is okay for me. So friends, like this you can very easily add signature to your Word document. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.